when a mom hears a child cry, it may not be your child, but you still want to go wrap your arms around them and hug them. And I wanted to go hug Tuscaloosa. And then after he talked about it and cried with us, he was appreciative for the opportunity to have actually, he said, to say it out loud helped him.
And yet this man was so strong, and he was so, he was just so on automatic pilot. The schools had been destroyed, and the town's number one worry was getting the kids back in school as soon as possible to try and establish some sense of normality. And that's what the Salvation Army was able to do.